Sometimes it's hard to remember just how our humble beginnings really were. We've used our genomes now to look at our close and distant relatives, to discover our countries and continents of origin, even trace our maternal and paternal lines out of Africa. But all we really need to do to see where we've come from is look at the genomes of some of our closest living relatives. One of the best kept genetic secrets is hiding in your chromosome 2. Now, humans have 23 pairs of chromosomes, and chimpanzees, along with our other close primate relatives like orangutans and gorillas, have 24 pairs of chromosomes. Now, humans and chimps are cousins. We share a common ancestor. Now, we've also shared a common habitat in Africa for a very long time. We look alike, we act alike, and new tools are showing us every day how we even think alike. But if we're so similar to chimpanzees, then why don't we have the same number of chromosomes? Here's an actual picture from an actual experiment where somebody used a probe, a label, to look in the genome of a human and a great ape. These are all the chromosomes. And in green here, they've painted the chromosomes that have sequences from our human chromosome 2. And you can see this chromosome lit up in green here that's nice and long. And in the picture of the great ape, we see the same chromosome lit up in green because it has the same sequences. But notice that we have twice as many chromosomes, and they're smaller. If we were to actually look at the sequence of our chromosome 2, it matches the sequence of two smaller chimp chromosomes. We can even line them up side by side and see which of the chimp chromosomes go in which order for our human chromosome 2. Humans and chimps shared a common ancestor that lived about 6 to 8 million years ago, and this common ancestor likely had 24 pairs of chromosomes, just like all the other great apes, orangutans, gorillas, chimps. And then the population was separated by the Great Rift Valley in East Africa, where the population on the west side remained in the forest and evolved as chimps, while the population on the east side was pushed into the savanna and experienced a chromosomal fusion during the evolution to humans. Now, you may find a profound connection to parents and siblings and grandparents and even great-grandparents and cousins. But I hope you take a second to just sit and think and share a deep appreciation for the connection that you have with your even more distant cousin, the chimpanzee.